Today we are taking the topic of blood circulatory system in human being, and it is for class 10th only. Okay, so first of all we will learn the basic idea about the circulation. Okay, so what diagram, the diagram which I am going to make, this is just for understanding. Okay, so let's have a look and revise it with me quickly. Okay, so as we know, in human beings the heart is divided into 4 chambers. In human beings the heart is divided into 4 chambers. So how will we represent 4 chambers? Like this. This is just the basic idea so that we can come to know how does blood flow in our heart. Okay, so we have divided our heart into 4 diagrams. Okay, these two are known as, this is right auricle and this is right ventricle. This is right auricle, first chamber. This is right ventricle. Likewise, this is left auricle and left ventricle. So we have put names in the 4 chamber of our heart. This is right auricle, this is right ventricle, this is left auricle, and this is left ventricle. So we have given names to our 4 chambers. Okay, and now the blood will come in the heart. The dirty blood from our body will come from here. The dirty blood will come through a vein, the largest vein in our body, which is vena cava. What is the meaning of dirty blood? The deoxygenated blood will come through vena cava. First of all, the dirty blood will reach in right auricle. Through right auricle, the dirty blood will reach to right ventricle. Okay? From right ventricle, a pipe will come out, which is known as pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery. And through pulmonary artery, dirty blood will come out, and through pulmonary artery the dirty blood will go to lungs. From lungs this blood will get oxygen, and from here the blood will get purified. From lungs another pipe will arise. So a new pipe is coming out from lungs. This pipe will carry the blood through to left auricle, and the name of the pipe which is coming out of the lungs is pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein. The blood has now become pure. So from lungs the pure blood will flow. So this is pure blood. From left auricle the blood will come down to left ventricle, and from left ventricle the blood will go out through aorta. This is aorta. This is the largest artery in our body. Okay, so the pure blood will come out through this aorta. Pure blood. Let's revise it one more time. Through vena cava, the dirty blood containing deoxygenated blood containing COT will come to right auricle. Through right auricle it will come down to right ventricle. From right ventricle a pipe will arise, and the name of the pipe is pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery is the only artery, listen to it carefully. Pulmonary artery is the only artery which carries dirty blood, means deoxygenated blood, means CO2 containing blood. This dirty blood will go to lungs. It will take oxygen from here. Another pipe will come out from lungs, and the name of the pipe is pulmonary vein, the only vein which carries pure blood. What is the meaning of pure blood? Pure blood means oxygenated blood. What is the meaning of oxygenated blood? Oxygen containing blood. Okay, so from pulmonary vein oxygenated blood will come to left auricle. From left auricle, the pure blood will come down to left ventricle. From left ventricle, one more pipe will arise, and the name of the pipe is aorta. It is known as systemic aorta, and through systemic aorta the blood will go to entire body part. So what we have seen in this chamber, right auricle and in right ventricle, dirty blood is filled. This chamber is filled with dirty blood. Dirty blood means deoxygenated blood. Deoxygenated blood means CO2 containing blood. And in this chamber, left auricle and left ventricle, this chamber has pure blood. What is the meaning of pure blood? What is the meaning of pure blood? Oxygenated blood. And what is the meaning of oxygenated blood? Oxygen containing blood. So this is the flow chart we have made so that we can learn some basic idea how does blood flow. Okay, and what is the normal blood pressure of human being? The normal blood pressure of human being is 120 upon 80 mm Hg. Remember this. Remember this, that the normal blood pressure of a healthy human being is 120 upon 80 mm Hg. Got it? This is systolic pressure and this is diastolic pressure. 120 is systolic pressure. What is the meaning of systolic pressure? Systolic pressure means, what is the meaning of systolic pressure? Systolic pressure means when blood comes out of the heart, the contraction phase is known as systolic, and the diastolic phase and the relaxation phase is known as diastolic phase. Okay, the relaxation phase is known as diastolic phase. Okay, so this is systolic blood pressure and this is diastolic blood pressure. Revise it at home, try to learn it. This is just the basic idea. We will learn the human heart diagram later on. Okay.